All right, everybody, so today it's field trip day. I feel like I'm an 8-year-old. I did my daughter's field trip last week. So today we are up in Ocala. We are at Nobility Homes. As you can see, this is their lot. This is where the homes are built. You can see all the stuff. So I'm excited to bring everybody on a tour to see where magic happens. So this is Todd. He's the sales manager here at Nobility Homes. You've been here 37 years?
37 years, yeah.
So I learned a lot of the business from this guy. I asked a lot of questions, didn't I?
Yes, lots of questions.
I remember the first home I'm buying from you, probably don't remember, but we were shipping it to Polk County and the buyers wanted to see it. We sent them up here. You walked them through a similar model because we didn't have any models on the ground yet of Todd's. We switched from Live Oak to you, and so we sent our buyers here. And then we send buyers to your other home centers, which is Prestige Homes.
Correct, yeah.
You know, send them with their realtor.
That's an advantage that we have. I mean, that way we have 175 different published floor plans and probably another 200 that aren't published. There's just nothing we can't do at the house. I mean,
I know that.
Longer, make it wider, make it shorter.
Oh, you want a 32? Not a problem. You wanted 4 feet. You want this model 4 feet longer? Not a problem. You want a porch? Not a problem.
Yeah.
But that's what makes Nobility, like, you're still my favorite place to deal with because of all the stuff we've done, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's like, oh, we can do that for you, sure.
Yeah, it makes it easy. I mean, you know, adding 2 feet to a house, I mean, most of our, like this one right here was a 52. And that's turned out to be one of our best floor plans. And it was, like, say for years, it was a 52-foot house. Now, since it's a 56, that's our #1 selling house, you know?
And what's it, about a $4,000 increase to go up 4 feet?
$1,000 a foot.
Right, $1,000 a foot. It's a no-brainer.
Yeah. It's easy to
you know,
do,
as guys, you know, hey, the size matters, right?
Size matters, yeah. Yeah, that's the nice thing about manufactured houses. We're the only thing where the bigger you buy, actually, that brings the cost down, because you buy a 72-footer or you buy a 20 or 30-footer, the transport cost is the same between the two, you know? And
I'm the number person.
Yeah.
So I look at what the 72-foot cost and the price. So then when you divide it by the heated square feet, that gets you your price per foot.
Square foot, yeah.
And they go from in the 50s to under 50.
Yeah.
Like when you're saving $6, $7, $8 a square foot, it matters. I hate building small units because now my sale price per square foot is higher. We have a home coming down now in the small lot in Winter Haven, but it's city water and sewer. It's literally 50 by 150. I'm putting down a 68-foot unit.
Right, yeah.
1,800 square feet. I can sell it for under $250 in the middle of Winter Haven. $249.9 because we went so big.
Right, yeah.
Okay?
Right.
I could be like, oh, 249's working there. 1,800 square foot, 4.2. And that helps the buyer, it helps us, because we're trying to hit our numbers just like you guys are.
Yeah.
You guys are better at it than us, it seems, you know. From what I heard in the office a little while ago.
Yeah. We try to keep our costs down. I mean, that's one of the, we're one of the few manufacturers. I mean, like I say, my boss is 86 years old, so he hasn't changed our philosophy. It's low cost, affordable, low maintenance housing. That's what we try to do, you know, try to keep it as reasonable as possible.
And one of the things that amazed me is the price sheets I have from 2 years ago are still the same price sheets.
Still the same price sheet.
I was like,
the only thing that's changed a little bit is the drywall finish, because the guy, you know, some places he's got to get a hotel room, and it depends on what time of year. Sometimes the hotel's more expensive to get but other than that,
we've worked with them really well in the sense that they were down there doing like homes back to back, and they would do some service work for you guys too. Yeah. He's like, hey, your other houses are around the corner. Same lockbox code. I can go when I want to, go when you want to.
Yeah. That's a huge advantage.
Yeah. Now I am considered the mobile home expert in Florida for some reason. I can laugh at that. When I first encountered modern manufactured homes, I was skeptical, but curiosity got the better of me. I began researching and seeing these homes for myself. But what surprises me is how you can make them look. I was absolutely blown away when I saw the incredible range of options available today. Options that make these homes indistinguishable from non-manufactured homes. It wasn't just about affordability, it was about creating a genuinely beautiful and fun living space. There's entry level, and then the term my daughter loves at 8 now, bougie, okay? Bougie perfectly captures the essence of what's possible now in manufactured homes. We're talking high-end finishes, designer kitchens, premium flooring, features you wouldn't have dreamed of a decade ago, where you will walk in and not realize you're in a manufactured home. That spectrum of going from, yeah, this is what it looks like, but it's still not grandma's mobile home in the park back from 1982, way different, to, wow, this is a manufactured house. This evolution isn't just cosmetic. It's structural, technological, and even rooted in improved manufacturing standards. These homes are built to withstand harsh conditions, offer excellent energy efficiency, and provide unmatched comfort and luxury. and being able to give a buyer anything in that spectrum that they want, right? This is what you want, or this is what you want. We are able to cater to any taste and budget, okay? It's a game changer, whether you're looking for a more toned down look, a modern feel, or a classic cozy feel. Manufactured homes offer an unmatched level of customization. And I love the fact that we can offer that for people. Like when they come to us and say, hey, this is what we have to spend, what can we get? It's so rewarding, helping buyers understand what's genuinely attainable within their budget. Many come with preconceived notions that limit what they think is possible. And I love witnessing their excitement when those limits fall away. And then I start showing them the options that they can get at that price point, and they're completely surprised because we're a different type of dealership. When somebody buys from us and you're customizing your unit, our fee is our fee. We don't charge you for the extra stuff you put in it like other dealers. Transparency is key in building trust and getting the best deals where it matters. We believe our customers deserve honesty and fairness, which is why we make sure they understand every cost up front. So when you put the drywall in, whatever our cost is your cost. We don't add a fee to that. See the difference? Because we understand the problems in home ownership today. We want to make you comfortable. We want you to have the house you love. Home ownership comes with enough stress. Our goal is always to simplify the process and help customers avoid the hidden fees and surprises that often accompany home purchases. I'm so surprised by all the options that you can put in these homes. Farmhouse sinks. I love that. I don't have one in my house like this, but I have them in some of my units. My wife won't let me tear apart my kitchen countertop, or I would for sure, because I've always loved the farmhouse sink. And that's the beauty of what we offer. Making dream features attainable, whether it's a farmhouse sink, quartz countertops, or high-end cabinetry, these choices transform a manufactured house into a personalized dream home. And one of the other options that we've been putting in a lot lately is we take out the tubs in the master shower and we put in this giant shower. It is 7 feet long, 7 feet by 4.5 wide. It's a party shower. Like for me as a guy, I love that because we put in 2 different shower heads for people. I don't know. For me, I love that. Maybe someone doesn't. I'm not a big bathtub guy, but the options and how you can dramatically change the appearance of these when you walk in, this attention to modern tastes is essential. Trends shift and people's expectations of comfort evolve. We stay ahead of these trends, ensuring our homes remain contemporary and desirable. Additionally, manufactured homes allow for easy updates like swapping out fixtures, flooring, and decor, so staying current with trends is simple and straightforward. It's fun. Think back to where you walk into a unit and you have the peaked ceiling. We'll take that away now. When you walk into a home, it's flat, right? It's a flat ceiling. Unless you can do box ceilings, which has the insert up. We can do that in the homes, just like you can in your house. No different. We do the accent walls. We do the tile walls, tile floor. I never put carpet in a home in 5 years. I hate carpet unless somebody asks. Carpet might work for some, but we emphasize practicality, durability, and aesthetics. High-quality tile or vinyl flooring not only enhances the home's beauty, but also ensures ease of maintenance and longevity. At the end of the day, it is, of course, your home, but we are here to answer those kinds of questions. I don't know, it's just my preference. But what always surprises me is how incredibly nice we can make them compared to what we all used to think a manufactured or mobile home looks like. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to explore the possibilities with us. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to check out our other videos where we dive deeper into manufactured home design options, innovative features, financing solutions, and stories from satisfied homeowners. Whether you're considering purchasing your first manufactured home or simply curious about the possibilities, our channel is filled with valuable insights to help you along the journey. Stay updated by subscribing, and don't hesitate to leave comments with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.